Okay, now we're going to have an activity. It's a kind of lecture which you are going to deliver. So for this activity, I will invite you here and you will come over here one by one. There are few things which you have to keep in mind. First of all, you have to be friendly. The way you speak, the way you communicate. So the first thing is friendliness. Try to speak in a friendly way. I would say try to speak in a frank way so that others feel very, very comfortable. Don't be very serious. Don't treat yourself very, very seriously. Just in a relaxed way, frankly and friendly, you can go on. After that, the next important thing is eye contact. Maintain good eye contact with everyone. Now, see, I'm talking to you. I look at you all, right? And I know I will look, and you know I'll look at you. So actually, all of you have given me your attention with the help of eye contact. If I don't look at you, then after some time you will not pay attention, right? So my eye contact is sort of a force which is binding you to listen to me. So that is why eye contact is extremely important. After that, you can use good body language. Now, what is body language? As you are speaking, your hands should move, shoulders can move, head can move, eyebrows, eyes, right? So you can just use good body language as well. And above all, it is your voice which is important. Now, voice means up and down of your voice. If something serious going on, you can lower your tone. I would like to tell you something very serious, right? And if you are in a funny mood, you will change the tone of your voice and say, okay, I tell you a joke. It's a very funny joke. Your voice changes, right? So according to the message which you are trying to deliver, if you say, the next point which I want to tell you is really important. And I think everybody should know that. See, everybody, I'm stressing. So there should be some stress patterns, and this is how you make it important, you make it more, impactful presentation. And one more thing, that is your wording. Words are very important. So whatever the words you are going to use as you're going to deliver in English, try to use appropriate words, simple words, so that others could understand, and you should know how to pronounce those words accurately and correctly. So consider these 3-4 things whenever you deliver any presentation. Eye contact, loud voice so that everybody could hear whatever you are saying. Then you can use high pitch, low pitch voice, frankness, friendliness. All these things are going to make your presentation very impactful. Now we take a start. Please, you come first and you'll have to speak on it.
Thank you very much. Today my topic is
Today my topic is
the skills, the most important skills of today's, or what we can say, the skills of the era. In my particular opinion, the skill which are more important
skills which are more important
in this era is learning, or we can say the self-learning process. But before we start learning, we need to unlearn the wrong skills. Like, I think most of us, we are 5 or 6 participants here. We are learning here under the guidance of a mentor. So a mentor is here to correct our mistakes. And in past, we learned so many wrong practices, so many wrong structures. So we are here to learn new things. And this skill is called as unlearn the wrong skills. While learning the new things, self-learning is a process. We can learn the things by practice, by studying, or learning new ideas. But on the same time, unlearning is important. But this process requires a mentor, or this process should be a structured process. Without structuring or without mentor, we might land into a problem zone, or it would add some more wrong practices or more wrong skills in our life. So, in my particular opinion, I must emphasize on this. We should learn in a structured way, in a presence of a mentor, but and on the same time,
At the same time.
at the same time, we should not stop our learning process. And by learning new things, inshallah, it would add value in our life.
Okay, now overall, his presentation is very good. All you need to do, you need to make it fluent. What is happening? You are communicating word by word. Try to communicate sentence by sentence. One complete sentence, another complete sentence. So next time when you speak, try to communicate sentence by sentence. Okay, otherwise it's all good. Thank you. Good job.
So, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Today my topic is meaningful life. We must have meaningful life because we came to this world.
We have come to this world.
We have come to this world to do something to better and go to our vision is must be we have a good vision, strategic vision, or must we have strategic vision is paradise. If we don't have this strategic vision, we cannot
A strategic vision.
strategic vision. If we don't have strategic vision, we cannot enjoy our life. We cannot do anything. We cannot do social work. In between, we must have. If I have strategic vision, we must be time management, sleep
Time management.
Time-
Management.
time management, and sleep management, and we must learn leadership and some special competencies. We get special competencies. This compound is this all things. This compound is good for everyone, and
Okay.
Okay.
This is good. Just try to be a little more fluent, right? Focus your fluency and try to speak English repeatedly. That'll be better, right? Thank you. Next one, please.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Today I tell about you.
I will tell you about-
picnic. Summertime is here. For many, that means vacation, family gathering, picnic, and playtime. A break time from the norm. It offers an opportunity to change perspective and recharge hopefully. Hidden in the enjoyment of summer are 3 lessons for building a stronger security practice. Just getting away for even a long weekend with a true break is remarkable in the ability to let go of things and gain a new perspective. Perspective. July is also a great time to take a tactical pause, purposeful time to step back and celebrate.
All right, this is a
Thank
very good try. Keep it up like this, okay? And next time, try to think and talk. Make it something like you are producing from your own mind, okay? Thank you. Good job. Next one, please.
Hello, my name is Ali. Today I'm gonna learn you all about how to.
I'm going to tell you or I'm going to teach you.
I'm gonna teach you about how to drive a car. I think so. I think you all have to know how to drive a car, but I'm gonna tell you the basic things about the car. First thing, when you sit in the car, the main thing you have to wear a seat belt.
Yeah, you have to fasten the seat belt.
You have to fasten a seat
Fasten.
belt.
Fasten. Fasten.
Fasten.
You have to fasten the seat belt.
Fasten a seat belt or
Fasten.
strap a seat belt.
Yeah.
After that, you have to shift the gear. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about the gear. It has two type of transmissions in the car. One is manual car, and the second one is automatic. The manual is a little more difficult, but the automatic is good for beginners. You have to shift. Then you have to shift the gear. After that, no, sorry. First thing you have to start the engine. After that, you have to
Now
shift
you
the.
first shift the gear, then you start the engine. And at the end, you insert the key. All right, we have a nice instructor. Yeah? Okay.
You have to start the engine, then you have to
If
shift
the
the
car
gear.
is push start, then gear first. Yeah? Then engine will start. Okay.
You have to shift the gear. After that, you have to disengage the handbrake. Emergency, we call it in
Emergency brake.
emergency brake. After that, you have to press the accelerator. The
Accelerator. Accelerator.
accelerator. The thing is in your right foot, at your right foot. That's it. The driving is a simple thing to do. You all have to learn how to drive. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. That's great.
Hello, my name is Walid Rajput. My topic is today. My topic is drama serial Abdul Ghazi. It is a very splendid drama serial. It has 5 seasons. Every season better than to the other.
Every season is better than the previous one.
Every season better than to the
Is better than.
to the previous one.
Not to the. Every season is better than the previous one.
Previous one. The most important thing is he tells about traditional and he tells about how much teach with friends, parents, and old man, old person. He tells about when the name came our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I should take my hand into the
To my heart.
and say Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Everything is very beautiful and interesting, and the actor should play. The actor take play very.
Actors have performed very well in this drama.
Actors
Have performed very
have
well.
very perfect.
Actors have performed
Actor have performed very well.
Actors, plural.
Actors in this drama serial. So I recommend you at last one time.
At least for one time.
At least for one time.
For one time.
For one time.
You should watch it.
You should watch it. Thank you.
Okay, this is good. Just few grammatical mistakes.